These are presentation about the safety inspection in Alphamart in Tansa. Kaya ito yung napili namin dahil mas madami customers na napupunta dito at iba't ibang klaseng tao na napunta dito dahil sa convenient nga ito. Demographics. Based sa demographics namin sa Alphamart, mapapakita dito na maaaring hanggang 12 na tao or mga crew ang pumasok dito. In case naman na may mga events, mas madami or higit na 12 ang pumapasok dito ng mga mamimili, iba't iba pang mga crew.
Sort. It is always practiced in Alphamart. The employees put their stocks or arrange systematically so that they can easily find where the items or stocks are placed. They always check the stocks if they are expired or not. Set in order. Arrange the stock orderly and in proper places so that the customer did not waste time for finding what they want to buy. Shine. In the store is very clean. I think that there are many customers who will buy items. Cleanliness is very important everywhere. Standardize. It has good procedure, stocks, management, clean areas, and good services. Sustain. It all the good qualities like cleanliness, good service management, and standardize are always maintained. I think it will sustain or prolong for a long time.
Material handling. This picture shows that it's used by the crew or staff when they having heavy foods that needs to move in the store, and using it when Alphamart are having a new foods arrival. They use a push cart to less to work, and the cart are the safety equipment that always needed in every store to prevent accidents at work. In the second picture is the basket that always used by the customer. They can put the things that they want when they having a lot of foods that buying.
Real storage. Based sa picture, magpapakita dito yung mga canned goods na nakasalansan na maayos and mas madali sa mga mamimili na ma-point out kung alin yung mga bagay na kailangan nilang bilhin or kung saan nila mahanap yung kailangan nila. In this picture, mapapakita dito yung mga frozen goods na nasa loob lang ng ref, and mas maganda sa mga frozen goods na mas maprepreserve yung mga bagay na kailangan ng isang frozen goods. And sa mga alcohol drinks naman, may nakalabel dito na hanggang 18 lang yung pwedeng bumili or available lang sa mga 18 years old. Mas maganda yung ganitong setup upang mas malinaw sa mga mamimili kung ano yung pipiliin nila or mas matingin nilang magiging mas ayos yung bagay na mabibili nila. Makikita dito yung mga drinks na nakasalansan na maayos, and mas madali sa mga customer na ma-identify kung alin yung dapat nilang kunin o saan nila makikita yung bagay na gusto nilang bilhin. And mas makikita natin dito na mas nape-preserve yung lamig ng mga drinks and yung mga alcohol drinks.
As what I have observed, if there are fire extinguisher and other equipment that are suitable, it can help everyone to be safety from any hazard. The concerned personnel or staff should attend all the important trainings and remain it to gain more knowledge and ideas for fire safety. I had also observed that when we enter in a certain place, we should know that the presence of the fire exit. Sign suggests that there is a fire safety plan in place. Always maintain the cleanliness and how to be comfortable.
Electrical safety. In the first picture, shows that in the close-up of a wall, the single electrical outlet and a backward plug, and I think this is not necessary, because this can be dangerous. Example, when a child sees it and touch it, it can cause harmful or danger in the kids or a customer in the store. In the second picture, based on the picture you can see the wires are hidden inside, and I think this can be safe because it's on the top of a ceiling. And the last picture shows that the outlets have a cover. They look better, but I think this can be a little chance of harm. I think I prefer to put it in the ground to become more safety.
Based sa picture, makita dito isang outlet na nakabukas or walang cover. Mas delikado sa mga customers kung makakalapit sila dito dahil nga sa walang cover. Mas okay sana kung lalagyan nila ng cover or papaayos nila sa isang expert na electrician para hindi naman maging makasagabal sa sa mga customers. Based sa picture, makita dito yung mga canned goods na sa tingin namin hindi masyado nakasalansan na maayos, and then Mas okay sana kung mas nakasana sa maayos para ma-identify agad ng customers kung ano yung pwede nilang kunin at kung saan nila makikita yung bagay na gusto nilang bilhin. Based sa picture, makita dito yung sa CCTV na sa tingin namin na hindi functional. Kaya namin hindi nasabi functional. Pag sa CCTV kasi mas makikita mo na may ilaw para ma-identify mo na ito ay functional. And then, mas okay sana kung magiging maayos to dagdag protection sa convenience store.
If there is a problem in electrical wiring, call and try to check it to an electrician. Always maintain cleanliness, especially for foods, to prevent contamination. Be careful and do not touch the damaged electrical to avoid incident. It is important to prioritize safety when dealing with damaged electrical components. Be observable and always check all the wirings and outlet of the appliances. If we enter in any establishment, always look and be observable. We should know where we can enter and where we can exit. Do not hold or touch fire extinguisher or any electrical services.